Following that breaking news right now, one worker killed and another seriously hurt in a construction accident.
It happened on 495 in Haverhill. WBZ's Mike LaCrosse joins us there live with more on the investigation now underway. Mike?
Kate, the worker was pronounced dead here on scene of the 495 bridge project. We are on Bank Road, which is closed down amid the investigation. A second person was hurt and flown to a Boston area hospital with serious injuries. Mass State Police say the workers fell from a bucket lift truck as they were working on the 495 bridge over the Merrimack River just before 10 this morning. Both fell onto a barge below on the Merrimack River. Mass DOT says the bridge replacement project has been ongoing since 2018 and is expected to be finished sometime around 2022. The worker's death, that is, comes just one day before the Thanksgiving holiday.
Looking out to see what happened. It's bad news, so it's not a good thing this time of year. Oh yeah, getting ready, and this is what happened. So it changes people's lives forever.
Again, one construction worker is dead from an accident here on the bridge project site. A second worker is at a Boston area hospital with serious injuries. State police with the Essex County DA's office are investigating along with OSHA. We're live in Haverhill this noontime. I'm Mike LaCrosse, WBZ News.